Jai Gurudev. In this video, I am going to tell you all about why Toyota brand car is the best brand car in the world, and all other car brands are waste brands and false brands and very low quality car brands in the world. In this video, I am going to tell you all about why Toyota brand car is the best brand and all other car brands are false brands are very less quality brands in the world. Even though Toyota car costs little much more than other cars, we should buy only Toyota cars, not any other cars, and we should mostly ban all other car brands in India, because in the long run the Toyota will last for many years compared to other car brands. Other car brands will destroy in few years, but the Toyota car brand will last for more than many 30s of years, or something more than 30s of years, or more than years also, like that. Currently Toyota shares only 5% share in the Indian car market. We should remove all other car brands and put only Toyota car brand in the world. Toyota is from Japan and it is the most reliable car brand in the world, because in few years other car brands will get into some other problems, and it will be very difficult to continue those cars because of their technology and other things. Because of that, Toyota brand is very good brand, and we should only allow the Toyota car brand in India. in world market, Toyota brand has more than around 50% share in the world market, in car market, and even in America also Toyota brand has more than 50% share in the car market of America. Toyota sold only 1 lakh vehicles per year in India in 2019. Only 1 lakh cars are being sold by Toyota in India in 2019. It is a Toyota group with Kirloskar in India, and it is the fourth largest car market in India after Maruti Suzuki, Hyundai and Mahindra. But we have to remove these all other brands which are very cheap brands, and the cars will be destroyed in few years because of their cheap quality, and Toyota remains for more than 50 years or more than 40 years or like that, because of by thinking about the reliability of these car brands, we should buy only Toyota cars in the world. There are many other videos also available in internet. They have thrown the Toyota car from large 20 story or more story building. After falling from that building also, Toyota car survived, and they run with very smoothly after falling from more than 20 story or 50 story building. After falling from that building also, it has worked and it has run very smoothly. And they have checked the Toyota cars also with bombs and other things. After bombing and doing many kinds of damage to the Toyota car also, it has run very smoothly, and the engine did not spoiled, and engine run after this high level damage to the car also. You can see all these videos in internet, in YouTube. That's why Toyota brand which is from Japan is the most reliable car brand in the world, and we should remove all other car factories and all other brands in India and in the world, and we should give only Toyota, because these other car brands will be will give many problems in after few years. They will give many headaches to people after few years because of their unreliability. Because of this, we should only Toyota car brand for cars in the world and in India. For further details about Toyota brand, I will tell in further videos. And my car also Toyota car. I have bought Toyota car Etios Liva, which is a one can buy like that. One can buy Toyota cars only, and one ought to buy only Toyota cars only because of their reliability. My car also Toyota brand car, Etios Liva car. For further details, I will tell for further details about Toyota, I will tell in further videos. Jai Gurudev.